Hello everyone, my name is Yosha and welcome to my channel. What?
Ano kasi? Parang hindi na yun.
Go Susie, vlog ka ha. So, welcome to my vlog. Ay, vlog. Welcome to my...
Ano to? Kape mo?
Pinaghalong kape mo at kape ko.
Palitin mo. Palitin mo din. Yan. Okay, you will say, I just fixed my headphone. What? Can't hear anything?
What? And
Pwede ka mag-Tagalog, B.
that's
Hi, thank you.
very annoying.
This is free.
Okay.
But have you, can you try to do your reservation so I can look it up?
Yan, tuloy na laglag.
I'll be happy to help you with the travel that you're having using, for the online check-in process using your tablet. Have you tried to do it on the website? Let me try to pull up. Let me try to pull up if your reservation is already linked here. 1 moment, please. Can you confirm your email address for me? Yes. Thank you so much. Let me pull it up. I think that we have a down. And yes, and then I'll try to please try to log out from the application and then log back in the office. Yes, on the phone using the Well application. Please try to log out and log back in.
Baby.
Go, speak up. Have you tried to, try to go to your profile and see if there's a chat option on your profile page?
Ay, nalalaglag.
Listen mo.
Just try to explore all the tabs there.
Mais ka. Hindi malalaglag. Yun eh. Uy, abot na yan. Abot na yan. Sige, hindi mo yan. Abot yan.
Ayan.
It's on it's on the bottom. Yeah, you can try to do it on that so you can see what are the options there. Royal Freedom application. I'm looking at my application, the Royal Freedom application, and I do see 4 tabs that you can click on the bottom. If you're on the home page, you will see four tabs or 4 different like home. Yes, I'm looking at my application here on my device, and I do see we have 4 tabs that we can click on. There's a home page, there's a book, my trips, and then the profile with a person icon. But is there any other options so that you can take aside from check your option? Maybe your tablet is not supported.
Yeah.
Let's try to see it on the website. Go to the browser. Yes, on your tablet, go to the browser. You have a Google Chrome, right? Google Chrome browser. Yes, okay. Click on that one and then type in www.royalfreedom.com. Royalfreedom.com. You have to log in or sign in. It's actually under yours. If you're still having trouble with this one, Donald, you may
Okay, guys.
need to check in on WhatsApp or anything
This
else
is
on
my friend. Olivia.
that's why
Outside.
we created
Rafael Basita.
to make it
Lucas Bastin.
Yeah, you have to log in first. You have to log in. Are you able to log in? Are you able to log in? You have to click the three. You have to click the three lines on the upper left corner. You see that? View. You have to look for the three lines on the upper left corner. Try to scroll down. There will be a sign in button. Three lines. Are you seeing three lines on the upper left corner? The three lines. How about on the upper right corner? Do you see sign in button? Shit, ang hirap turuan ng puro matatanong. Ay, nako! Tapos ko tayo dito. Let me know once you're ready, lad. Okay. Okay. What is there a sign in button? No. Okay. How about try to find it on the upper part? It should be after the manage my tools. There will be a heart shape, the bell button, and also sign in button. See that? Okay. Can you scroll down and find the sign in button? Can we try to do it on a different browser, please? Do you happen to know the incognito? It's a browser incognito. Or do you have another browser that we can try on? How about we try to do it on the browser? Okay, open your browser on your device or on your phone. Pull up a browser and then type in www.building.com. Scroll down, and scroll down, try to scroll down. Scroll down a bit. Yeah. Anytime. Is that on the application or the website? Don't you see that there is a button on the bottom, the upper part? No, you don't have to. Try to find the profile page. Person icon. It's on the upper part. Yeah. Should be on the upper part of that page. Beside your calendar, what can you see? Is there a person icon? Like, okay, try to click the three dot. What is that showing? Okay. Don't you see any person icon after the calendar icon? Can you see a person icon? Yes, a person icon. But can you see the calendar icon? It's a word of calendar, not an icon. Can you swipe to the left? Can you swipe to the left? Okay, try to scroll down. Find the check-in. Find check-in button. Try to click the select different groups. Select different groups. Hit the select different groups. Okay, you'll see your, okay, can you try to scroll down or click your upcoming groups? Doesn't show up your upcoming groups in Utopia Disease. Go back to the home page, please. try to swipe to the left. I mean, swipe to the right. Try to swipe it to the right. Okay, go back to the home page again. There will be an option to go back on the home page. Are you using an updated version of the app? Can you please try to delete it and reinstall it again, please? Even if I would love to help you on this, Ronald, you have to go to the Royal and then try to delete and reinstall the app and see if maybe the application that you're using is not updated. Yeah. Or maybe there is someone who can help you do the online checking for you, who is tech savvy.
Oh,
Alright, I'm so sorry, I won't be able to help you on this, but I really would love to, whoever since or maybe you can try to to delete and reinstall the app, and let's see if the check-in will pop up. Okay, let's try to wait to reinstall the app. Napagod na. Ay, Diyos ko, mga matatandang to. Hindi marunong. Oh, hi. Thank you for calling American International. This is Wayne. Can I help you? where you're calling? Is it, are you receiving a call from, Rob Ruben?
Wow! Kulit ng ano to? Pa. Ay, pagkulit ko guys.
Yes, that is correct. And the good thing that you dropped the call with asking for more information. So you did a great job, and as for checking, nothing to worry, people, because as for checking, your reservation is not compromised, and it's still safe. And if you want to put a password on your reservation, you can do that if you want to. Yes, you have to advise them. Okay, with regards to
Daddy, paano na ulit? Ginulo kasi ni Kuya.
Ko. Ayusin mo ba ano mo? Buhok mo. Kali mo yung buhok mo.
Can you provide the phone number so I can take note of it?
Saka ikaw marap sa akin.
Thank you.
Ano ka na yan? Huwag mo nang baguhin yun, ha?
Confirm if I got it correct. 877-983-0937. As for checking, it is not. There are also training about this. But yeah, no worries. I'll happy to put a password on your reservation. Can you confirm to me what password or password that you wanted to put on the reservation? And also, once this is already entered on your reservation, every time that you call in, we will be asking for your password. Okay? Please bear with me. Good thing that we follow your instant treatment. Okay, I'll be putting that on hold. Wait for 35 minutes to process the password. Okay? You're welcome. Is there another one? Susie Bay, you dropped the headset! Oh
Sorry.
my goodness. Tay, babalik ko naman.
Bakit yung babalik? Bakit ko? Ow!
Ako nakakain ng kamay.
Thank you so much. Yes, yes. Then, but no worries, Caitlin, we're processing your password on your booking. Is it okay if I extend the holding time for 55 minutes again? Thank you. By the way, the password that you provided is final, if I'm not mistaken. Please don't. Bye. Hello, Kate. Hello, Kate. Thank you so much for waiting. I tried to contact our reservation team to put the password on your reservation. However, they're already closed today. I suggest you contact us tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow from okay, they're open tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. I will just leave a note on the booking, on your booking regarding this to secure your reservation. Yes, that is correct. They need to call by themselves in order to access the reservation. Sure. Okay, sure. I'll be happy to assist you with that. And following up, and as per checking your dining time here is set as at 5 p.m. Since this is with under postal travel, progress and the balance on your reservation since it is both of you postal travel. I highly suggest you contact me. Okay. By the way, for the table size, how many are you will be dining? Thank you so much for that information. And then we put in a large table that is close to that. Yes, if it's, do you have their reservation number so I can double check it? It's already. I already have your reservation, which is 959 to 85. This one. Okay, just to confirm if I got it correct, 597 9379. 957-9379. Okay, it's already linked to your diary for checking. What else? The reservation. 446-415. Okay, was able to link it for dining time at 5 p.m. What else? Okay, it has been linked to your reservation. What else?
Mama.
Yes, it's already linked.
Okay, bye-bye.